With a generous 320 litres combined capacity, this fridge freezer from Beko is a perfect addition to any family kitchen. Frost-free technology circulates cold air throughout the freezer to prevent ice from forming. Maintenance is easy as the chore of manually defrosting the freezer is a thing of the past. Beko's Freezer Guard technology ensures that this freezer can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, so you can keep it in a garage or outbuilding, knowing that your food will stay safely frozen no matter how cold it gets. The chiller compartment is kept at a low temperature, creating the optimal environment for locking in nutrients and prolonging the life of your food, ideal for fresh meat and fish. Safely store your food and drink with this fridge freezer from Beko.